Seeing this dreaded DirectX error in Black Ops 6, don't rage quit yet. We can fix it. Let's start with the basics. Open your device manager. You can search for it in the Windows Start menu. Expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find the latest compatible driver for your card. If that doesn't work, use the official software for your graphics card, like NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Check for driver updates there. Next, make sure Windows itself is up to date. Go to Windows Update in your settings and check for any available updates. Run a system file check. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc scanno. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. Close unnecessary background applications. Too many programs running can sometimes interfere with the game. Hopefully, one of these steps solved your DirectX problem. Now get back to fragging in Black Ops 6.